आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is that x square minus lambda x minus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1 is less than 2 and greater than minus 3 for all real value of x. Then we have to find the value of lambda. So the given inequality is x square minus lambda x minus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1 is less than 2 and greater than minus 3. Now we can break this inequality into two parts, that is minus 3 is less than x square minus lambda x minus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1, and also x square minus lambda x minus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1 is less than 2. So further we can simplify this inequality, that is minus 3x square minus 3x minus 3 is less than x square minus lambda x minus 2. Or we can say that 4x square and plus 3 minus lambda x and plus 1 is greater than 0, and second inequality will be x square minus lambda x minus 2 is less than 2x square plus x 2x plus 2, or we can say that x square plus 2 plus lambda x plus 4 is greater than 0. So this is a quadratic equation that should be greater than 0. That is only possible that the discriminant of this quadratic equation is less than 0. That is 3 minus lambda whole square minus 4 into 4ac, that is 4 into 1. Or further we can say that 9 plus lambda square minus 6 lambda minus 16 is less than 0. Again we can write this lambda square minus 6 lambda minus 7 is less than 0. Similarly, we can also say that for second inequality, that is for this quadratic equation to be greater than 0, the discriminant of this quadratic equation, that is 2 plus lambda square minus 4 into 4, that is 16, should be less than 0. Or we can also write this 2 plus lambda whole square minus 4 square is less than 0. Or we can apply here a square minus b square formula. This is equals to 2 plus lambda minus 2 4 minus 4 and 2 plus lambda plus 4 is less than 0. Or lambda minus 2 into lambda plus 6 is less than 0. And in a first inequality, it is, we can factorize this lambda square minus 7 lambda plus lambda minus 7 is less than 0, or then we will take lambda as a common, that is lambda minus 7 plus 1 into lambda minus 7 is less than 0, taking lambda minus 7 as a common, that is lambda minus 7 into lambda plus 1 is less than 0. So now here we will use wavy curve method to solve this inequality. So the for first inequality, the roots are 7 and minus 1. So this will be minus 1, 7. So for 0, this quantity is negative. So this interval will give us negative, and this will give us positive. This will give us positive. So our favorable interval will be negative, that is lambda relates to minus 1 to 7. And similarly for second inequality, its roots are 1, 2 and 6, minus 6, that is minus 6 and 2. So for 0, this is equals to a negative. So this will be negative, this is positive, and this will be positive. So our favorable interval will be minus 6 to 2. So lambda relates to minus 6 to 2. For both inequality be true, we have to take intersection of lambda from first inequality and from second inequality. For that draw all the numbers, that is minus 1, here it will be minus 6, minus 1, 2 and 7. So for first inequality, our lambda is minus 1 to 7, and for second inequality minus 6 to 2. So the common interval is minus 1 to 2. So the lambda will be from minus 1 to 2. And from the options, our correct option will be option third option. Third option will be our correct option.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।